It's one of those warnings everyone has heard. Stop cracking your knuckles. You're going to get arthritis. It sounds serious. It sounds logical. It sounds like something adults must be right about. But here's the truth. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Not in your fingers, not in your hands, not anywhere. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Popping damage. Myths we all fell for. So what's that popping sound? It isn't bone grinding on bone, and it isn't cartilage being damaged. When you stretch a joint, the pressure inside the joint drops. Gas dissolved in the fluid suddenly forms a bubble, and that bubble collapses with a quick snap. That's the sound. A tiny pressure change, not a tiny disaster. Scientists have studied this for decades, and they've compared people who crack their knuckles all the time with people who never do. Arthritis rates? The same. One doctor even cracked the knuckles of only one hand for 60 years just to prove the point. Both hands aged exactly the same. So why does the myth survive? Because the sound feels wrong. It's sharp. It's loud. It sounds like damage even when it isn't. But here's what actually matters. Cracking your knuckles isn't harmful unless it causes pain, swelling, or discomfort. And if that happens, the cracking isn't the problem. Something else is. So here's the simple rule. If it doesn't hurt, it doesn't harm. Annoy the people around you? Maybe. Damage your joints? No. Next, is using Bluetooth or AirPods unsafe for your brain?
Think critically. See clearly. Searchlighter.